Has this ever happened to you? Someone yawns, and you can't help but yawn right after. But why does this happen? It's called contagious yawning, and it's believed to be linked to empathy. Our brains have something called mirror neurons. These help us understand and sync with the actions of others around us. And they're the reason yawning is so contagious. Here's something interesting. People with higher levels of empathy tend to yawn more easily when they see others yawn. So, let's do a quick test. Did you yawn while watching this? Let me know in the comments.